Hello guys.
Hello guys,
We are from
Outside
Outside
Relievers.
Relievers. So guys, this is our first prank.
तो आज हमने जो प्रैंक किया उसको टॉपिक
Asking girls for
सेक्स। देखते हैं कि प्रैंक में क्या होता है।
let's watch.
Excuse me guys, hi. Actually I am doing a survey. So do you guys know about females? What females are? Seriously? Actually female is a girl who has penis. Okay, so in this survey we are asking people how you could justify between a female and a female. So that's our question. So so मतलब देख कर कैसे आप बता सकते हो, मतलब बॉडी लैंग्वेज देख के या फिर नो आइडिया? यू never met someone. Okay, so if I come to you and ask you what's your sex, what would you say? Actually, so how would you justify that?
I don't need to justify myself to random people, I guess.
Okay.
I want to ask you something. There are different type of girls who look like girls, but actually they can be female or female. Okay, so how will you judge a girl if she is a female or a female?
I would judge the same.
How can you judge someone because they look the same? Female and female look
With the
similar,
voice,
no?
With the voice,
Voice.
the voice, the sound of the voice.
Okay.
It will be different.
I don't think so. The voice is different. Like female have different voice and female has different voice. I don't think so.
Shemale is like a boy that looks like a girl.
Huh?
It's a boy. Shemale, it's a boy who looks like a girl.
Okay.
So the voice will be different.
No, female is a girl who,
Who has penis? Okay. So physically you can't if you're dressed.
Okay.
You can't.
So you look like a female, but you could be a female, right?
Yes.
If you had a voice like her. So basically, you are saying that if a female have a voice like a female, then it could be, Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, do you have some free time? What is your sex?
Sorry?
What is your sex?
What?
क्योंकि
Didn't get your question.
फीमेल और शीमेल में हमें फ़र्क बताना है क्या क्या होता है, तो हम आपसे वो पूछना चाहते हैं।
क्योंकि हम तो फीमेल है
तो लेकिन हम कैसे अंदर बताएं कि फीमेल कौन है और शीमेल कौन है?
तो हम बोल रहे हैं इसलिए
नहीं नहीं, नॉर्मल हम कैसे बता सकते हैं?
नॉर्मली
या
get the difference between two ideologies, our ideologies and what their ideologies are. As I'm doing a psychology, I know what the surveys are.
लेकिन
So
देखकर-
you should have some format around
देखकर हम
that.
कैसे जज करें, उनको कैसे बताएं फिर?
Human body अलग होती है. No, it's not about that. You should, I guess, Google that. Yes, you can Google.
Hello, excuse me girls, I want to ask you a question. What is your sex? Female. या फीमेल, राइट? तो हम एक सर्वे कर रहे हैं, उसमें हम पूछना चाहते हैं लड़के को जाके कि फीमेल और फीमेल में क्या फ़र्क होता है, क्या डिफरेंसेस होते हैं?
We don't know. You
You all don't know?
No.
Tell me the truth, guys.
क्या होता है? आप बता दो.
आप बताओ.
Transgender, yeah, right.
Okay.
So you must. So what do you think about this?
You really don't know?
नहीं, I don't know what will be the difference. According to me, they must be very hot, They have two legs.
They have two legs.
They have different legs. They have
No,
two
no,
legs.
they don't have different life.
Yeah, I mean, it's cool.
You want to be a female?
No, I don't want to. But it's like, something different.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's cool.
But Bangkok. She went in Bangkok.
Yeah, you can see pawns.
No.
We don't see porn. I don't see porn. I never
फिर अच्छे से पता लग जाएगा ना कि फीमेल और फीमेल में क्या डिफरेंस होता है।
Do you guys have some free time? Okay, so it's about how could you justify a female and a female? Female, yeah. So मतलब how could you justify by looks or मतलब any type? How could you justify? मतलब मतलब ऐसी नॉर्मल एक लड़की है, हम उसे देख के कैसे बताएंगे कि वो फीमेल है फीमेल? सो लुक्स, वॉइस से,
हम एक सर्वे कर रहे हैं, उसमें ये है कि अगर हम एक लड़की को देखते हैं हमें लगता है कि वो लड़की है, बट आजकल आपको भी पता है कि लड़की और शीमेल और फीमेल दो टाइप की गर्ल्स होती हैं. यू नो व्हाट शीमेल इज?
Yeah, go ahead.
सो हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि फीमेल है या शीमेल है? आप भी फीमेल जैसे दिख रहे हो, यू कैन बी शीमेल.
You know what? That's a little offensive. I can file a suit of defamation against you. You know this?
Actually, we are shooting a prank over there. I'm from a YouTube channel. Sorry for your time. Thank you.
Actually, we are doing a prank and there is the camera. You can see there. Okay. Thank you.
so actually we are shooting a prank. It's a prank. Thank you very much.
Guys, it's a prank.
प्लीज़ अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़
तो
लाइक
please
करें, शेयर करें
subscribe
और
करें,
सब्सक्राइब
करें।
करना मत भूलिएगा.